everyone, my name is Rita Crompton, President and CEO of Archimedes Offspring and Managing Member of AOS Management, LLC. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about the process an inventor goes through in order to qualify their invention for mentoring and funding assistance. After all, how can we ask you to trust DaVinci Invention Investment Fund 1 with your money if we aren't offering transparency on how the funds are managed on your behalf? AOS-sponsored funds are open to everyone with an idea they want to see get from mind to market, no matter where they are in the process when they apply. The only aspect that is getting reviewed is the invention itself. All right, never the person behind it. That means we aren't looking at credit scores to qualify or personal backgrounds. The DaVinci Investment Fund 1 board is only focused on the potential of the invention and the fund's ability to get it to market. Every inventor goes through the same process of submitting an online application that is reviewed and then passed on to a vetting team at AOS. The vetting team is made up of industry experts who have all been working within the industry for years. From attorneys to licensing agents, engineers, and marketing experts, we employ numerous minds, all of whom bring essential expertise to the process of commercialization and getting a product to market. When the inventions have been thoroughly vetted and the AOS vetting team then presents the inventions to the DaVinci Invention Investment Fund Board of Directors. All right, during these presentations, the board members ask questions and, where appropriate, request us, the vetting team, to secure additional information. Once all of the questions have been satisfactorily answered, the board, which is comprised of a majority of independent directors, votes either to fund the invention or to pass. If a majority vote is in favor of accepting the product into the fund, the first installment of the funding is approved, and a separate holding account is set up to receive the actual disbursement of the funds. I want to stress here that never are the funds given directly to the inventor. Rather, thoroughly vetted service providers are paid directly from the separate holding account. This approach helps protect your investment. It also helps to mitigate the risk of the funds being wasted on unnecessary steps or sketchy service providers more interested in cheating unsuspecting inventors who would, on their own, not know any better. Vetted service providers include patent attorneys, engineers who assist with the prototype design, marketing specialists who help with the final design and packaging. These experts help get the product to a point where it can go to a trade show. It is at these trade shows where most of the products will debut. I've mentioned previously that the maximum amount of funding any one invention can receive caps at $75,000. This max amount is actually divided into smaller installments with the ability to draw down subsequent installments being dependent on the progress. All right, it is actually possible that we could fund one stage and say, you know what, we're going to mitigate the damage here and we're not going to move forward because we didn't get the information that we needed at a particular step. We are always looking at giving the inventor the best information we can and advise on the next steps. And we're also looking simultaneously at protecting every investor. Not every product will require a full $75,000 to get to market. They come to us at different stages. Applications are received from all inventors at different steps in the process. So in some cases, they only may need one tranche. In other cases, they may need all three. The point here is that while we can't say there is no risk involved, the entire infrastructure of AOS and the DaVinci Investment Invention Fund 1 is designed to minimize risk for our investors while helping them enjoy the greatest possible return on their investment. If you have any questions about the process or the composition of the DaVinci Invention Investment Fund 1, if you have any questions about our process or the way the board looks at an invention, please reach out to us. AOS prides itself on transparency, and we are dedicated to helping anyone interested in taking this journey with us to feel as comfortable as possible in trusting us with your money. You can always find more on our website, www.archimedesoffspring.com, or reach out to us through email. Thank you very much.